Beverly, who is it? Heaven Hotline? Lord Jesus, me in a hot water now. Who is it? Archangel Michael? Alright, put him through. You fit one. Let me see if I can talk myself after this. Alright, we take the call. Alright, thanks. Yes, Archangel Michael, how you doing, darling? You alright? No, you're not okay? Why? You see me skin up my body, get the lollipop man today? Archangel Michael, no, I got straighten up, sorry. Me no say no funny, me no hot water with the Lord Jesus. What me fi do? Say 7 Hail Marys or what? What me fi do? Or you want me to go on a 40 night fast? No, Archangel Michael. Talk to me, no man, advocate. No, let me tell you that, man. No, every time him see me on the sun, him pick on me. I'm pick on me, pick me. I know, me no play that when I come to my pity them. Right. And he's Jamaican, he's supposed to be one of us. I'm a one, so I just yam up the pitney them and just nasty to the parents them and talk to us down like if we're a dog. No, man, he provoked me. You say the 7 Elmaries and do 3 days fast then. Right. Yeah, right. Me do that. No, me did. Well, to tell you the truth, Archangel Michael, I better me show me backside than show me front side, eh? Right. You can't give me a little lie. Well, heaven can't give me a little lie. The man provoke me. What do you mean? I mean, don't talk to the man a couple weeks ago and tell him not provoke me, you know, and the man provoke. I must be my backside in the once if you real. You know I'm doing win. Yeah. Alright then. Maybe ears. But me have to go beside that, innit? Don't you think? Yeah. Alright. Tell the Lord thanks for the new car. Me love it. You see how God good to me, God bless me with your child. Alright. Alright. Alright, bye.